and Assalamualaikum. Are you ready to start our presentation? Come. Introduce to you our supervisor, Mr. Abdul Aziz bin Muhammad Kazali, and our team starting from left side, Nas, Aiman and Hawa. And presenting to you our client company background, Sugar Gold, located in Taman Bayu Aman, Pulau Pinang. And their founder is Nur Islia and Nur Israina. They started in Penang in 2017. We choose 3 of their products, which is serum, lipstick and foundation for the rebranding.
The next is about SWOT analysis about this company. Strength for this company is Business in Malaysia 100 Top Young CEO 2020. Implement a system agent and the target agent will get a prize in terms of cash, gold or anything that match the percentage. Sugar Gold weakness is does not have a company website, unable to follow changing customer requests. Sugar Gold opportunities is more recognition to change branding. There is an opportunity to expand quickly because there is a lot of marketing. Sugar Gold treats there are many local products on the market and some produce almost identically product. The challenge is to stretch the team mentality to stay focused on in business. Now, I'm going to tell about 5W1H.
Problem statement and solution. The competition is a person, business, team or organization. The competition against you or your company is somebody is trying to beat you in a race. The person is your competition. We do not use the terms of competition in business. Competition also is it in sport, politics, acting, music, literature and other things. In business, we call a close competition. A rival, in other words, rival are the same size and make similar product. The concept that we have choose is the concept of modern stroke with a minimalist term. It is the shape of woman face. We took this concept so that is clearly displayed that this product is specifically for a woman. The new Sugar Gold logo is inspired by a woman's face and is accompanied by a Romeo sign font where the woman's face is placed in place of the letter S. The corporate color of major home companies are as follows. Gold is a color of wealth and luxury. Whatever is also in the line with the idea of love. It is psychologically associated with composition, natural love and romance. This is a color commonly used in business related to women market such as cosmetic, fashion, beauty and romance. Grey is a color of intellect and compromise. Is also diplomatic color, negative. All this distinct between black and white. Rational logo. The font we use is Romeo sans. We use gold color in the logo because gold sugar gold product have gold extract on it. We use a woman face icon in the front of a logo because a company we create only focus its product on woman face only. The following are items of good create for the Sugar Gold company. Merchandise is aesthetically the promotion and sale of product. It is often used to refer to retail sale in the sense that its object is to influence consumer purchasing decision. First is office stationery. Second is corporate artillery. Next is corporate transport. Last but not least is our merchandise.
For advertising, I applied the concept modern stroke with minimalism. The main color that I use in my advertising design are pastel pink and white, which is synchronous with our theme color. I focus more on digital posters such as YouTube ads and websites, following the latest trend towards technology. To attract more people through advertising field, the use of typography has been reduced to highlight on the visual. For example, I designed the billboard effectively so that the message will be delivered directly. By doing this, people will be more interested to purchase the product advertised. Next, let's hear from K04 packaging.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Farah and my majoring is packaging. This is a lipstick design that I use the concept of outline stroke. The packaging use archive brand paper with a thickness of 300 GSM. The finishing for this packaging is die cut. This is a design for serum product. This packaging also use archive brand paper with a thickness of 300 GSM. The finishing is also the same, which is die cut. The last is designed for the foundation product. Packaging this also use archive brand with paper with a thickness of 300 GSM. The finishing also same is die